You've found what you've been looking for in this lovely listing. There are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in this spacious 1,008 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 717-762-8100. That's 717-762-8100. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.